In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Databox. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone in between, having a well-organized dashboard is crucial for visualizing your data and making informed decisions. So let's dive in and get started. First things first. You need to access the Databoards page. Begin by logging into your Databox account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Databoards section. This is the hub where all the magic happens, and it's where we'll be creating and managing our dashboards. Now that you're on the Databoards page, it's time to create a new databoard. Go ahead and click that green plus New Databoard button. Here, you'll be presented with two straightforward options. You can either use the wizard, which will guide you through the process of selecting a data source and metrics to populate your databoard, or you can start blank if you prefer to build your data visualization from scratch. If you're a beginner, the wizard might be the easiest way to get started, but choosing to start blank gives you more control if you're comfortable with the setup. Next, let's add some data blocks to your data board. Data blocks are the individual visual elements, like charts or numbers, that vividly display your data. To incorporate a data block, head over to the Databox library that's conveniently located on the left-hand side of your screen. You can choose a metric or visualization type that best suits your needs. It's as simple as dragging and dropping your selection right onto the databoard. Once you have your data blocks in place, it's time for customization. Click on a data block to open the data block editor. Here, you can configure several important settings. Firstly, select the appropriate data source that aligns with your data block. Then, choose the specific metric you want to present. You can also set the time period by adjusting the date range. Lastly, decide on a visualization type that makes the data easy to understand. It could be a bar, line, or number chart, depending on your preference. After configuring your data blocks, you might want to arrange and resize them. Simply drag your data blocks around to rearrange them to fit your desired layout. You can resize them by clicking and dragging their edges. A well-arranged data board can greatly enhance comprehension and aesthetic appeal. Moving on, let's apply some visual customizations to make your data board even more impactful. Click the Visual button located at the top. Here, you can adjust the background color to match your branding. You can also tweak the chart colors to enhance readability. For a personal touch, consider uploading your company logo. Adding a background image can also personalize your data board and make it more engaging. Finally, once everything is perfect, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Hit that Save button to ensure all your hard work is stored. To share your data board, click the Share button. You can choose to share it via a link, embed code, or even through an email. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create an effective dashboard in Databox. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to keep experimenting with the tools and options to refine your data presentation skills.